Mango. 4. Five. Apple. 6. 7. Mango. 8. 9. 10. You did it! Mouse. 5. 6. 7. 8. Pony. 9. 9. Antelope. 10. You did it! Dog.
The truck's tank is empty. Time to go back to the oxygen storage facility and refill it. This is the oxygen storage facility. Oxygen is stored here in really big tanks. The oxygen is kept really cold. Oxygen normally floats around us as a gas, but when it's cooled down so cold, it turns into a liquid. And this is how they store oxygen and move oxygen around in tanker trucks. Tap on the red blinking light on the top of your truck to open the oxygen refill hatch. Now drag the oxygen refill arm with the matching number to the oxygen refill hatch on the truck. Eight. Great, now tap the red blinking knob to begin filling the tank. The oxygen is being pumped into the tank. Okay, the tank is now full. Tap the green blinking knob to release the oxygen refill arm and close the hatch. Good work, the truck is all filled up. Let's go. Tap the green arrow on the upper left to go. Here comes the train. This is the oxygen tanker car filling area. This is where oxygen tanker cars get filled. Tap the truck to release the oxygen filler hose. Tap the train to open the oxygen refill hatch on the oxygen tanker car. Great! Now drag the glowing oxygen hose connector to the glowing oxygen refill hatch. Now drag the other glowing oxygen hose connector to the glowing connector on the truck. Great! Now tap the red blinking knob to begin filling the tank. The tank is filling up. The oxygen tanker car is all filled up. Tap the green blinking knob to stop pumping oxygen. Now tap on the glowing oxygen hose connector to disconnect it. Now tap on the other glowing oxygen hose connector to disconnect it from the truck. Great, now tap the oxygen hose to put it back on the truck. Touch the train to have it get back on track. Okay, let's go.